So we got our AIRLOCK boat air purifier in the mail today, and now we're going to install it. So first things first, I have to find a power and a negative inside of here. That looks like a ground. There it is. Turn it off. So what I did was find a ground and a power wire, that the power wire only had electricity going through it when the air conditioner was turned on. That way this thing's not running around the clock all the time and draining our batteries if we're not near the boat and eating up our precious solar. So on the back of the AIRLOCK there are two magnets. They also send you two more magnets so you can install it right here by slipping the magnets behind, and that way it's directly in front of your air handler.
So if you're wondering what the AIRLOCK does, it has two carbon fiber brush poles, and one is positive and one is negative, and it splits the ions and it splits them, it polarizes them. So basically one goes out and is positive, one goes out and is negative. They go all through the ductwork and then they spread out into your boat, and it removes like, you know, smells, odors, dust, mold spores, allergens, VOCs, fish smells, black water tank smells, all sorts of things like that that you would normally smell on a boat. So why did we want this system for our boat particularly? So this is helpful on any boat, right? But on our boat in particular, we do have a lot of teak, and we do have a teak deck, and it is the original teak deck. And we know that below that teak deck is moisture, right? And so there can easily be mold in areas like that, and I'm sure in other areas around the boat that we can't see. This boat is new to us, so we haven't encountered all of the smells and all of the mold to tackle them. So what this is going to do is this is just going to help us fight any funky smells that we have in the boat, which, to be honest with you, the boat smells what I call normal. It has a smell, but it is not a foul smell in any way. Our head doesn't smell that great right now because we've had some trouble in there. But we're going to see in about a week if this has started to work on the smells in the boat at all. We'll let you know. In case you haven't guessed, AIRLOCK is this week's sponsor. If you want one for your boat, it is recommended that one goes on each AC unit in your boat, and you can get one for 10% off if you get on their website, which is airlockpurifierusa.com, and it'll tell you all about what I just explained, but in much greater detail and probably a lot better than I just did it. Use code SIREN10, SIREN 10, and get 10% off. And yes, we get a little kickback from that, and you get a little break too. So it's a win-win, right? What do you think? You got it installed?
It's installed. All we gotta do is flip on the air conditioner.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, no we don't. We gotta go turn on the power at the
Oh.
box.